Meeting the audience and hearing their questions and interacting has been super fun. I'm enjoying it. All said and done, technology is technology. Humans are still relevant and humans need to be part of the whole system.
Hello everyone, a very lovely good morning to all of you. Today we have Ms. Smita Mhave. She is from Google as an engineering leader. She has joined us at APEX largest software testing conference, Stepin Summit 2024. Hello ma'am, I hope you had a good time here.
It was a pleasure to meet so many people in person. It's a lovely day here.
Thank you so much. So ma'am, we would like to have a fun conversation with you, like a quick fireside chat. The very first question for you is, have you heard about us before, and if yes, in what context?
Yeah, I've heard. I've been one of the speakers in the past, so yeah, I'm very closely associated with this.
So ma'am, as you mentioned that you are closely associated with us and you have been speaker from the past year, can you let us know how has your experience evolved and what changes or differences you can see from the past year to this year?
Sure. The last time it was virtual online conference.
Okay.
So I couldn't see my audience, and today meeting the audience and hearing their questions and interacting has been super fun. I'm enjoying it.
Glad to know, ma'am, it went well. And of course, we see a difference, when the things are virtual and all in person. So as you mentioned, the audience were interacting and resonating. Can you let us know any one point that you feel during your talk resonated most with the audience?
When I spoke about the human part in the quality AI evaluation was when I could see people nodding their head, because all said and done, technology is technology. Humans are still relevant and humans need to be part of the whole system was something I could see. It resonated the most with people.
So you enjoyed it? I mean, it was engaging as well?
Yes, very much.
Glad. If you want to listen full talk, you can visit our YouTube channel and the talk is available, guys. Will you be happy if your kid take testing as a career?
So I give him complete freedom. If that's something he enjoys, why not? Definitely.
And from your perspective, glad to know. And another question, if software quality was a flavor of ice cream, what would it taste like and what toppings would it have?
Vanilla with chocolate sauce.
And why so chocolatey, wow?
Because that's the crux. Because without quality, vanilla is plain.
Correct.
So without chocolate, vanilla is plain. So without quality, software is plain.
Nice. Interesting answer. The moment you start talking about chocolate, I started craving for it. So we'll have it. Do you believe it's becoming essential for testers to have formal training in these areas, like courses on global certification, certified Gen AI test engineering?
AI is the new normal. It's here to stay. Yes, please go train, learn, certify. That's my recommendation.